Well, hello. Would you like to give the room tour? Does everybody know where we are? No, this is a brand new hotel for us. We are at Disneyland in California, and we are at the Grand Californian. Ooh, fancy. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Also, we're gonna say right off the bat, this hotel is not pet friendly. So if you are a regular doggy, I'm sorry, you gotta find other accommodations. Service dogs, however, are welcome. And Ernie is going to give the tour. Here we go. All right, so this is just your regular standard room. It's not DVC. And walk in here, you've got little hooks for your coats, which is very nice. And there's a little cubby over here on this side. You can put some luggage. We have a couple of bags there. And then over here to the left is your closet with full length mirrors. Open that up, and you have a very fancy, two very fancy Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa robes. And ooh, are these nice and soft. Wow. These are gonna feel great. We got hangers. We got a safe here in case you need to lock anything away. Luggage rack, lots of space. Slippers, very fancy. You've got a steamer down there, extra pillow and blanket. And your ironing board is behind the very fancy robes. Very nice. We go into the main room. We'll take a right over here to the bathroom. Two sinks, lots of counter space and storage underneath. You got your hair dryer under there to the left. Some little step stools, little laundry basket, waste bin, Kleenex, extra supplies, all of your toiletries right here. H2O plus lather and some very fancy, it looks like Grand Californian brand. Ooh, these are cool. We don't have these. Got a little amenity kit. Got a shoe kit, a shower cap. These are all new to us, so very fancy. Kleenex. Got a little makeup mirror over here on the left. And some towels. Two sinks. Other towel over here. More Grand Californian branded amenities. Dental kit and loofah. Super fancy. Mouthwash. Nice. And then we have our stand-up shower with rainfall shower head and also handheld shower head. Very fancy. Very nice. Little bench over there for sitting in the shower, taking a steam, if you will. Lots of towels here. Very good. Oh, some Chippendale art. Cute. I will say that this hotel has a very Wilderness Lodge vibe. I'm getting a very Wilderness Lodge vibe, like we're in Walt Disney World, right? It feels like Wilderness Lodge. It's got that kind of vibe. I dig it. I like it. All right, so over here by Ernie, you've got your little mini fridge, your little chiller down here. No freezer, but lots of space for cooling your beverages, keeping some water in there, anything that you need chilled. You're all set to go. If you've got anything for the freezer, Bell Services can help you out. They'll take that for you downstairs and keep it in the freezer, no problem. In the drawer here, you've got all of your coffee and tea amenities that you would need for your Keurig here on top with your ice bucket and cups. Very good. Nice other mirror over here to the left of the television and a desk in case you need to do some work. Good chair. Lots of drawers if you want to unpack your things. You've got 6 very deep drawers here. Lots and lots of outlets for charging, which I like. This is nice. Lots of plugs, all different sorts for all different kinds. Lovely. Also room service if you'd like to order something, have it brought to the room. Very good TV right here that we're probably not going to partake in. We don't watch a lot of TV on trips because we're out doing stuff. We can watch TV at home. We don't want to waste our time. We want to take it part in the things that we can't do at home. I will also say that this couch does fold over into a 5th sleeper. If you have 5 people, you'll see right there, you just pull the handle down on top of itself right here. It'll pull down. All right, so here's what the bed is when it's pulled down, or pulled down actually. It's very cute. probably twin size. Got Bambi, very pretty. Thumper sleeping, everybody cute. And 2 queen beds, looking super comfy after a long day of traveling. And is Ernie showing the storage underneath? Where is he? Ernie? Ah, there he is. Yep, you can fit your luggage under here if you needed to. Totally have room. Very good. All right. I also like this artwork over here on the wall. Is very pretty. And you've got your temperature control there so you can make it nice and cool. It's very hot today in the park. We went to California Adventure for a little bit. It was awesome. Over here on the nightstand, you've got the in-room dining menu, Disneyland pad and paper, which I love. I love an old-fashioned pen and paper. I like to write notes for housekeeping. I like to tell them thank you when I leave the gratuity, make it a little bit more personal, tell them that they are appreciated. I like an old-fashioned pen and paper. Very good. Clock radio over here with additional plugs for charging. Love it. And more plugs over here by your phone. So you can basically charge all of your things, no problem. This is great. But also, I mean, if you have 5 people and 5 people need to charge things, you're pretty covered. You're pretty good. So it's like 4 o'clock right now. So we pulled the shade down here, or pulled the blinds across so that we could do the room tour because it's very bright outside. We'll show you because we do have a little patio. We'll show you here behind the curtain. I haven't seen any hidden Mickeys in here. And here's a look at our little patio. We've got a couple of chairs and a table. Looks very comfy. Have some coffee out here in the morning. And then our view is basically over the carport, over the entrance to the hotel. Right across there, you can see the Disneyland Hotel. And then over here to the left, you have the newly refurbished Pixar Place Hotel, which is very exciting. That's actually the first hotel that we've ever stayed at Disneyland. We stayed there first in 2022. Then last year we stayed at the Disneyland Hotel, and then this year is the Grand Californian. So this will complete our hotel circle, if you will, of hotels here at Disneyland. So now we'll be able to compare and contrast, see which ones we like better, see which one we want to stay at next year, and go from there. But I gotta say, this is pretty spectacular so far, and we're super excited to be here. This room lot. Again, shout out to our best friend who's a cast member. Got us a cast member discount on this room, which we would otherwise not be able to afford. It is a very fancy, very expensive hotel. So shout out to our cast member, best friend. Thank you very much. It's our first time staying at this hotel. We're so silly excited. Can't wait to go and do all the stuff, eat some snacks, see the sights, have all of the fun at Oogie Boogie. And then we'll do the resort tour in a separate video. But I hope you guys enjoyed our little room tour, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.